The Monarch tractor modern design with features suggesting electric power, likely offering quieter and environmentally cleaner operation compared to diesel tractors. The integrated sensors and in-cab monitor point to advanced technology, enabling potential autonomous or semi-autonomous operation, although a driver is shown. This technology allows for precise work and efficient coverage of large areas. The ability to easily attach and operate a standard, large mowing implement demonstrates the tractor's versatility for various agricultural or landscaping tasks. The Machine Farmette Softer 12.5 PRO disc harrow, a large implement pulled by a tractor. Its primary function is soil preparation, following operations like plowing or harvesting. It effectively loosens and levels the soil using multiple rows of sharp discs that cut, mix, and break up clods. Key advantages highlighted include its substantial working width, allowing it to cover vast areas quickly and efficiently. It's designed for high-speed operation while achieving uniform tillage across the full width. The disc harrow also plays a vital role in incorporating crop residue and controlling weeds, preparing a fine and even seed bed ideal for planting. Additionally, the machine can be compactly folded for easy and safe road transport between fields, making it a versatile and productive tool for large-scale farming operations. The Machine Zern D96 transverse plot seeder, towed by a tractor. Its primary function is highly accurate and controlled planting in small, distinct plots within a field, primarily for agricultural research and comparative trials. A key function demonstrated is cross-sowing, where seeds are planted in rows perpendicular to the tractor's driving direction, often using a stop-and-go method. This specific method, combined with a magazine system for single-row seeding and automatic feeding, ensures uniform growing conditions across all planted rows. This uniformity is crucial for obtaining reliable data when comparing different seed varieties or treatments. The Zern D96 streamlines the precise planting process for experimental areas, offering both high accuracy and efficiency compared to manual or less specialized methods in a research context. The Elmer's Hallmaster 2000 is a specialized grain truck used during the harvest season. It acts as a mobile transfer station right in the field. It receives grain directly from the combine harvester when it is full, allowing the harvester to continue working without stopping. The grain truck then transports the grain to a waiting truck at the edge of the field and transfers it to the truck via a large exhaust pipe. The purpose of this is to increase harvesting efficiency, reduce the time the combine needs to stop, thereby speeding up the entire process. The Hallmaster 2000's track design helps it move steadily over the field. The Grimme Evo 280 potato harvester is used in agriculture to efficiently harvest potatoes in large-scale fields. Its main uses are pulling potatoes from the ground. The front part of the machine will dig deep into the ground, pulling up the potatoes, soil, and crop residues. Classification and preliminary cleaning. Inside the machine, there are conveyor systems and rollers that help vibrate and remove most of the soil, rocks, stems, and roots from the potatoes. Transportation and collection of potatoes. After preliminary cleaning, the potatoes will be transferred to a large container, integrated on the machine, or transferred directly to a parallel trailer to be taken out of the field. In short, the Grimme Evo 280 is used to automate the potato harvesting process, helping to work quickly, reduce manual labor, and handle large amounts of potatoes and soil in the field. The Univerco Farm Boss is used to assist in the harvesting of many types of hand-picked vegetables. Its main uses are providing a work platform. It moves slowly through the rows, allowing workers to walk or sit alongside the machine. Collecting produce. Workers pick vegetables/roots directly from the plants and place them on the machine's conveyor belts. Internal transport. These conveyor belts lift the produce up and into large containers placed on the machine's floor or onto a parallel trailer. In short, this Univerco Farm Boss machine increases efficiency and reduces labor in harvesting hand-picked vegetables by providing a mobile collection and transport system right in the field. The autonomous robot is used to draw lines on the field. This is the LM01 line drawing kit installed on the FJ Dynamics RM21 lawnmower robot Meyer RM21 of Knoll BV. The main uses of this machine are drawing lines on the sports field. It automatically moves and sprays paint or lime to create boundary lines, center circles, etc. on the grass fields. Automatic and precise operation. Using positioning technology, such as GPS, the machine can draw lines according to pre-installed field maps or draw new fields without manual marking. Reduce time and effort. Compared to manual line drawing, this robot makes the work faster and easier. Just need to install and monitor remotely via control. In addition, the base robot itself on RM21 also has an automatic grass cutting function, helping to maintain the field surface neat. In short, this machine is used to automatically draw lines on sports fields, usually as a specialized attachment to an autonomous lawnmower robot. The Oxbow Ploger AT51104 is a self-propelled machine specifically designed to receive liquid from tankers, store it in a large tank, and apply it directly to the field. Its main functions include transporting and storing liquid fertilizer or slurry. The machine has a large tank to carry liquid from the supply source, applying liquid fertilizer to the soil. A system of hoses in the rear-mounted implement precisely apply the liquid directly to the soil. Simultaneous tillage incorporation. The rear implement not only applies fertilizer, but can also perform tillage tasks such as cultivating and incorporating, helping the fertilizer be mixed evenly into the topsoil immediately. Using this type of self-propelled machine offers many benefits, such as more flexible movement in the field, large application capacity, and the ability to combine multiple work stages like application and tillage in a single pass. This increases efficiency and saves time and fuel. The Pelink Optimum XL80 Arbo process machine is a self-propelled agricultural machine specialized for harvesting row-planted fruit trees, particularly olive trees, in high-density orchards. The machine straddles the rows using an internal mechanism to shake the branches and detach the olives. The fruits are then collected by conveyors, undergo preliminary cleaning to remove debris, and are transferred to an integrated hopper or discharged to an accompanying truck/trailer. This automated process provides fast and efficient harvesting, significantly reducing manual labor and making it suitable for large-scale operations. The Schuldt FX320 rotor are used in agriculture to cut and clear tough vegetation, tall grass, brush, or crop residue over large areas of land. It utilizes powerful rotating blades to effectively shred and spread the plant material. Its design also allows it to be folded for easier transport on roads. In summary, the Schuldt FX320 is designed for heavy-duty vegetation management and clearing on agricultural fields or other expansive areas. The Agronic AMC machine is a round baler wrapper combination that operates in the field. Its primary function is to collect forage material, like hay or straw, and form it into round bales, and then immediately wrap these bales in plastic film. The main advantages of this machine are its two-in-one integrated design, which provides high efficiency and saves time, machinery, and labor. The immediate wrapping significantly improves the preservation quality of the forage, especially for silage, by creating anaerobic conditions and reducing spoilage. This streamlines the harvesting process and increases productivity. XAG's drones and ground robots are modern agricultural machines primarily used for spraying pesticides, fertilizers, and other liquids. These machines operate efficiently over large areas and diverse terrains, from flat rice fields to hilly orchards. Using digital control systems, they perform precise applications from the air, drones, or by navigating between rows, ground robots. Their main benefits are high efficiency, reduced manual labor, improved safety by minimizing direct contact with chemicals, and versatility for various crops in challenging conditions. The Elsho NM9000 SF is a tractor-driven disc forage cutter/collector. Its main function is to use multiple cutting units to cut grass and forage plants over a very large area, then collect them into neat rows. The outstanding advantages are high working efficiency thanks to the large cutting width, good material preparation for baling or chopping, and can be folded for easy transportation. The machine helps farmers harvest forage quickly and efficiently. The forage harvester, also known as a chopper, its main function is to cut and finely chop standing forage crops like corn directly in the field. The processed material is then immediately blown into a truck, driving alongside for transport. This machine offers significant advantages, including high efficiency and speed in harvesting large areas. It prepares the crop material instantly for storage as silage or for direct feeding, streamlining the process. By automating the cutting, chopping, and loading, it substantially reduces the need for manual labor. The machine Hollerass onion harvester. Its primary function is to mechanically dig up mature onion bulbs from the field. As the onions are lifted, the machine uses internal mechanisms, like conveyors and rollers, to separate the bulbs from soil, roots, and foliage. The cleaned onions are then laid out in neat rows on the field surface to dry, preparing them for subsequent collection. This mechanizes a labor-intensive process, allowing for efficient harvesting of large areas and providing initial cleaning of the crop directly in the field. The machine Lammers Tunbau Machines BV is a specialized potted plant handling and transport machine used in nurseries. Its main function is to automate the movement and processing of potted plants. The machine receives trays or batches of plants on lower conveyors, transports them to different levels via inclined and upper conveyors, and helps consolidate or prepare them for further handling or transport. This significantly increases efficiency and reduces manual labor required in large nurseries. It also helps minimize damage to plants during transport and improves workflow organization. The machine Amazon Inter-Row Cultivator is to work the soil and control weeds in the spaces between rows of planted and growing crops. Using various working elements like discs and tines, the machine disrupts and buries weeds. It is designed for precise operation, often with guiding systems or sensors, to avoid damaging the crop plants. Key benefits include efficient mechanical weed control, reducing the need for herbicides, and improving soil health through aeration and loosening, leading to better crop growth. The Cayeron mower conditioner, seen attached to the tractor, is a machine designed for cutting and conditioning forage crops. Its main functions are to cut the grass cleanly using rotating discs and then process the stems through a conditioner to accelerate drying before laying the material into a tidy swath. A primary advantage highlighted is its exceptional durability and ability to perform in challenging conditions, such as very heavy, wet, and lumpy grass, often found in environments like Ireland. The user notes its robustness against obstacles and the effectiveness of safety features. Furthermore, the Cayeron features a powerful conditioner that handles dense crops effectively and is known for leaving a clean cut in a well-formed swath, making subsequent baling easier. The front and rear units are designed for quick and easy detachment, and blade changes are remarkably fast. This combination of toughness, performance, and user-friendliness makes it a favored choice for demanding forage harvesting tasks. The Allen Revolution planter is a specialized machine designed for precision potato planting. Its main function is to accurately place potato seed pieces and apply fertilizer in the field. Key advantages include a large capacity, up to 60,000 pounds, enabling high planting speeds, up to 7 miles per hour. It offers unprecedented precision with features like individual row depth control, ensuring near-perfect spacing, seed population, depth, and nutrient placement across different field conditions. The track system minimizes soil compaction, protecting the field's long-term health. With optional scales, it supports variable rate planting to optimize yields. Its compact transport width makes moving between fields simple. The Allen Revolution planter is presented as a high-performance, versatile precision planter built for efficiency. The Massey Ferguson 2270 is a large square baler, a crucial machine for forage harvesting. Its primary function is to collect dry forage material, such as hay or straw, that has been laid out in windrows, and compress it into dense, large rectangular bales. The Pro Cut feature indicates it likely also chops the material before baling, which can improve feed quality and bale density. Key advantages include high operational efficiency for quickly clearing large fields. It produces uniform, large bales which are easier and more cost-effective to transport and stack compared to round bales or loose material. This significantly reduces the labor needed for handling, The machine's ability to create consistent, compact bales makes storage more efficient as well. Overall, the Massey Ferguson 2270 is a high-capacity baler designed for maximizing productivity during harvest.